Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working with some cards using the Daisy Meadows paper collection from Close to My Heart. It's brand new, just came out March 1st. And during a workshop that Close to My Heart held for its consultants or makers, what have you, we made several card designs, and this is a pretty standard one where you use a standard card. I believe it's an A2, and it is an 8.5 by 5.5 folded in half. So here I'm going to take the white layer that you could add a stamped image to, and I'm going to use the splatter technique using watercolors to add some color to that, just to give it some interest and dimension and have some fun with the watercolors. Now, I could just take my water brush and spread it with that, but I wanted to use the packaging plastic, which is a technique a lot of people are using with your Distress Oxide inks or just regular inks, to give it a really cool effect. And here I found using a more intense color worked best for this method. And I just absorb the extra water with my paper towel, and then I'm going to do another one. And I just use the colors that match the paper collection itself. And once these are dry, you can stamp right over them. Add some interest to your pages. It comes out really pretty. I liked it. So anyway, the card size layers are 4 by 5.25, and I use both sides of the paper that I chose, one on each card. And the next size is a layer for your white piece, which would be 4 by 3, and in this card, these two cards would be Sundance paper, that yellow. And you have a strip that is 1 by 4 that spans the base layer there, the other pattern paper. And then I put 2 of the gold glitter gems on each side of the note there. And I go around my paper. Our paper is white core, so I use the stamp pad to add an edge and color the edge on it. Gives it more definition. And there I use my glue to glue it down. I like using liquid glue. It makes it very permanent. And I just put that layer in the middle. And on these stamped images, I'm going to put the second card together first, but the white paper, the white daisy that I put the watercolor on, I'm going to pop it up onto some cardboard packaging instead of using foam adhesive, which could make it a little wavy because it already had all that watercolor effect. I wanted to make something that was more secure and flat, so you'll see that coming up here. And the stamp set that I'm using is Just a Note. It's a new stamp set that just came out. It is an A-size stamp set, so it's only $7.95, and it's just a note, and then you can add 4 different sentiments underneath it. They're little tiny sentiments that say to say hello, or to let you know I'm thinking of you, or to say I love you, or to tell you thank you. And there I added one of them to each of them with the different ink colors to match the card. And make sure that I open my card the correct way. Yes, because I've done it many times. Put it on incorrectly, and once I use that liquid glue, I'm not going to get it up. So there's the cardboard packaging. It's just, I think it was a calendar layer maybe. I just added 3 layers to pop it up. It gives it some flat dimension and keeps that watercolor paper more flat. And we'll be having some close-ups coming up here with 2 other designs that they gave us that were cute. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.